Okay, welcome back to another weekend coloring tutorial. Now, you might not be watching this over the weekend, but I'm coloring it over the weekend, or at least uploading it for the weekend. So, you already see we have a Wolverine. I drew this Wolverine in one of my lessons before, and here is the original. So I made a copy of it, and I'm going to color it. I don't want to mess up the copy, the original. So I'm just going to color the copy. That way I'll have two Wolverines. So, and yeah, it's on YouTube lesson. I don't know which one it was, but maybe I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can go to it and see where I drew the Wolverine. But I think did I draw several characters in that video? I'm not sure. So anyway, let's get going with the coloring because that's what you tuned in for, not to hear me ramble. So the rest of this is going to be in fast motion because I don't really think I have anything to say about it. If I do, I'll stop it and say something, a few words of wisdom. All right, so let's go. All right, and there you have the weekend coloring tutorial of the brown Wolverine. I didn't say that in the beginning. It's the brown Wolverine. Now that brown really came out dark, but I had planned on lightening it with white color pencil anyway. So here you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm going to ramble, so I'm just going to end this tutorial and say thanks for watching. Keep coming back, leave a comment, and please give me a thumbs up. So go to my channel if you're new, and there are a lot more coloring pictures and more drawing tutorials there to be found. So I'll see you guys next weekend with another coloring tutorial. All right, what's with the finger? Get it through the finger. So I'll see you guys later.